Hello and welcome back to Atypical Wealth. We have a stunning home tour planned for you today, and this one is in Los Angeles, California, right in Silver Lake. This listing is presented by Compass and Benjamin Balin. Let's check it out. As we walk up the stairs, we can totally see the Spanish influence. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home. So we see the archways everywhere, which is totally classic Spanish design here. Right away, you can see the warmth and light this home gets. We'll start our tour to the right of the home with one of the bathrooms here to start. This is technically your guest bathroom, but it's so close to one of the bedrooms, it's almost serving as an ensuite bathroom. It has the modern subway tile. I love the teal touches and the dark fixtures to go in contrast with the light airiness of the home. Even in the bathroom, you could see the Spanish influence with the arches, attention to detail, nothing's missed here. We go into one of the bedrooms and we can see, all right, we have the built-in shelving here. It kind of forces organization, which I love. And this room is getting plenty of light towards the front of the home. Look at how refreshing and open this home layout is. This is your living area here. Super beautiful, expansive space here. I love the choice of the light fixtures throughout this home. Take a look at those as we go on. And of course, this kitchen. This is what a gourmet kitchen should truly look and feel like. Look at the white oak custom cabinetry for sure. You don't see the fridge, you don't see any of that. All of these elements are hidden. We have a stunning stove. You're going to cook on that one or just admire it, whichever. You see the choice of marble. It was really decadent and it adds a nice contrast to the earthiness of the home. Let's go ahead and look at what's going on inside of these cabinets. Nope, it's a fridge. Please and thank you. Those hidden elements show a strong attention to detail with design here. So the developer who worked on this one really had a strong attention to detail. What you just saw was your washer and dryer area. And here you have the skylights built into the home. This home is not shy when it comes to the light. There's lots of spaces to gather, which we all love to see. And this is the main bedroom. Okay, but you're gonna love the bathroom. You see this beautiful soaking tub here. You can get lost in that. Just close the door and you are just off to paradise here. Let's see what the fixtures are looking like. Okay, clean. I see the floating dual vanity. Gold fixtures throughout the home. They kept it very consistent with the design and very smart to keep some of those elements hidden. Rather than having a non-functional drawer, you actually have one that fits the piping around the sink, which is great. You can see your shower, stand-in shower right here. Great. Kind of nice to have the tub separately and the toilet area tucked off to the side. Now we're going into the closet and we see the same built-ins throughout this walk-in closet. Plenty of space for storage. And then as we exit out, we can see the frosted glass doors, which add a modern touch to an already beautifully modern Spanish home. Let's go out to the backyard because I want you all to see this. Look at this backyard. It is just the right size for any kind of get together. Plenty of light and privacy here. They have the cowboy pool off to the side, which is great because you don't really have anybody peeping over the sides trying to take a look at what's going on in the back. You can get a sense of how this place could be perfect for entertaining and how few eyes are looking at you over the side, which is, hello, ideal out here. Just entered back into the kitchen across the living room, and we still have another room to take a look at. This room is also towards the front of the home, and this one has an attached bathroom. Take a look at our vanity. And then the same teal subway tile, adding a beautiful contrast to the light airiness of the home. I love their choice of marble throughout the home and the flooring. They weren't afraid to mix it up with those darker and lighter tones. And these days you don't have to keep it so standard, so it's great design, honestly. If you're interested in a private tour of this home, you need to reach out to me, okay? So this home is definitely one of a kind, newly renovated. Get a full sense of what you're looking at too in the garage. We can easily fit 2 cars here, and you're just not that far too from some of the LA attractions like Sunset Boulevard. This 1,758 square foot home is listed at $1,989,000. For a private tour of this home or something like it, don't be a stranger, go ahead and reach out.